Lexus time. We're gonna revisit the reflector situation on the Lexus, since it didn't go so well last time. The lights that we got, for whatever reason, did not quite fit properly in here. They looked really cool, but it's like they were just like a millimeter too long, so the tab that's supposed to push into this hole on this side was like just a fraction over this way, so it wouldn't pop in. It's a shame. Those lights looked really cool. But we've got something a little more basic Lou wants me to put in. These are only going to act as brake lights, since they're only a single wire, well, you know, single circuit, so they don't have separate circuit for brake light and tail light. So we're just going to use them as brake lights. Let's pop this thing open and reveal its insides. As I stated before in the previous video, Lou, insert footage, reference to previous video, something. We got the little grommet for that hole here. We're gonna cut just a little bitty slice in it for the wires to come through, so the hole is still sealed and the wires aren't rubbing against the harsh metal here. We're going to be coming in these holes with the wiring, running them up under, behind here, back into here, and they shall plug into one of these. I need to vampire clip these wires, because yeah, my favorite thing. So we've got this plug here for the tail lights. Well, one of the plugs for the tail lights anyways. This one goes to turn signal. Okay, so you've got green, black, white, and red wire. I have made a pinout diagram for that. I'm going to be using the black wire for ground and the red wire for the brake light, because for whatever reason both green and white are for the tail lights. The red and black are for the brake lights. Well, I mean, black is shared ground, but you know what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna have to strip back some of this cable shielding and vampire clip the black and the red wire, and yeah, I'm gonna do that on both sides. Now I got to extend the wiring harnesses for these a little bit. I just thought about something real quick. I am going to seal these, because I know how these sort of lights, any kind of, you know, made in China sort of things are. These will end up with water inside of them within like a week. So let me seal them up with some silicone. It is time again to oh, please don't drop things in my eyes. Yeah, we're gonna have to take out that screw, and this thing will come right out. One moment. Okay, once that screws out, you'll want to reach over here, push on the side of it. Oh, come on, focus. Push on the side of it, and boop. Boop. Oh, great camera work. There. Okay. This side in. Now we're going to route these wires up through that hole. And don't worry, I'll get the rubber grommet that came in it and poke a hole in it and put the wires through the hole. so that the wires aren't chafing against the harsh metal opening. There we go. Have the wire through the grommet, so no chafing, no pressure on this little dude. And now just got to terminate the ends here with some spade connectors to go into the vampire clips that I'm going to put on here. Then I got to route it up through. Well, got the first one down. See? Brake light. First one down on that side. Have to get this one routed through the floor. And I've got the brake lights on with it. Bored on the brake pedal. But got that all. I mean, it could be better. But we don't have the budget for better, so we're just gonna there we go. Now we can't see the shoddy craftsmanship. Now we've got all four working. That's kind of noticeable. So, yeah. I do like that. I really do. I think Lou will appreciate it as well. Let me get everything buttoned up for him before I bring him out here. Well, Lou is busy cooking dinner, so... and it's about to storm, so I want to get everything buttoned up as quickly as possible. But I'll show you guys. Turn the brakes on. I said turn the brakes on. I said turn the brakes on. There we go. Look at that. So that's pretty cool in my opinion. It's definitely noticeable. Like I said, those don't act as taillights, so whenever the brakes are off and the taillights are on, those don't stay on, like I did on my Silver Scion out there. These only have one circuit, so they're only brake lights. Whoop. Like nothing ever happened. You can't see none of it. I'll get Lou's impression of it later. But for now, I think that's pretty good. Like, share, subscribe. Maybe we can do some higher budget things. We have another project coming up that you guys might like a lot. It's going to be some pretty professional work from me. And spoiler for something else that's to come. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I certainly appreciate it. If I'm going to be doing all this work, I hope I provided some entertainment for people.